Hello guys. Now I'm gonna look at a graph. It's a graph question today. Um, Now with graphs, you have to show your skills with interpreting the information that's there. Now these questions that they ask are questions that you really need to read into. Look at one, stop, take a few moments, read through the questions, and try to get a sense of what it is saying. Now today I'm going to sort of help you through handling a question and graphs, because of course you're getting one too, so this is a similar question but different variations, but you need to be able to interpret, understand, and to apply what's information that's given in the graph. So let's go through this together. Now they said the graph below shows the journey of two cyclists, and that's Marian and the other is Nathan. All right, and now they're gonna be going to the towns A and town B. The information here is that Marian rode from A to B, and Nathan rode from B to A. Where are those towns? All right. Let's give Marian A. Marian is riding from town A, and she rides like this. This is her journey. She's going from A to B. Now B is actually found on this line. Alright, that's town B. Now Nathan, on the other hand, is traveling from town B, that's represented by the green line, and he's going straight down to town A, found on the yellow line. Or right, so when he touches, that's where town A is. Now I'm gonna scroll down a bit and see the questions that they're asking. It says determine the length of time that Marian rested. Alright, to answer this question we have to go back to our graph. The question says determine the amount of time that, and that's in hours, that Marian rested. So here we go. Marian, green line, and she's traveling up from A to C to B, A to sorry, A to C, D, and up to town B. Now she rested here, and the reason why we say that is because it's a horizontal line here. And the thing with these graphs is, you notice on the x-axis is time in hours. So the horizontal line actually represents movement in time, and when you see the line flat like this, it simply means that time is passing, but she has stopped, because distance is on the vertical axis. Distance, and this should be, by the way, distance that got cut off, so it should be distance in kilometers, and that's on the vertical axis, or what you would normally call the y-axis, and this is your x-axis. So good, you're good to go. Now how long did she rest? Now you see, you look on the x-axis, the time line, and there you go. You see from here 0 to here and to here. You notice that this way you get an hour. It means that for each centimeter, assuming that this is a normal graph paper, for each centimeter you actually have 30 minutes. So 30 plus another 30 gives you an hour, and you have 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. So you could go down like this. Let me highlight this a bit for you. You could see there's that line right there. You can check how much time has elapsed here. It's 30 minutes. 30 minutes, that actually gives you an hour. So we can safely say now that Marian actually rested for 1 hour. So Marian rested for 1 hour. Good. Now the other question now you need to look at question 2. What is the distance in kilometers between towns A and C? So that's the distance between towns A and towns C. Alright, let's go look back at our graph. Remember again, you're going to try to find the distance in kilometers between towns A and C. Okay, now the distance in kilometers between towns A and here's C. That's A and here's C. So maybe we should remove a couple of these lines here. You can always review the video, people. You can always go back, remember, and see what was done before. But I need this little space here to work with. Now they're asking for the distance in kilometers between towns A and towns C. How do you get the distance? Now, the distance is found on the vertical axis. Alright, this is A C, down here is A C. Alright, so when you take the reading from the y-axis and you go right here, there it is. Let's go across and look. Remember, distance is recorded on the y-axis in this instance, and this is where town C is, and this is where town A was at 0. So the distance would be between these 2 points here. Alright, C is here. Even if you check it from here, basically be 5, 10, 15. So there you go. It's 15, and they ask for it in kilometers, so it's 15 kilometers. Alright, now having written your answer down, 15 kilometers. Good. Now the other question is